Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by ISEEHAIR. They did send me this 26-inch closure unit and I will be installing it with y'all. This wig is definitely beginner friendly, definitely on the go, and not only that, it's definitely true to length. So I'll be showing y'all how I installed this easy beginner friendly look. Let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy. That's fine for you. I do that 3 4 times again. So the wig did come in this real cute bag that says ISEEHAIR on the front. It also came inside with a box, y'all. This wig was really cute packaged up. It looked like it was a shopping bag. As I mentioned, it did come inside a box as well. They did send me gifts for this wig. I'll be unboxing and showing you everything that they sent me. They did send me a real cute bonnet that says Princess on it with Isee. As y'all can see, it definitely is wide, so you can fit all the hair in it with no problem. They also sent me a pack of lashes. It is 6 pair inside, y'all. Definitely a 10 out of 10. They have all different styles of lashes inside, y'all. Cannot go wrong. They definitely snapped with these gifts. They also supplied me with a HD wig cap and a regular wig cap. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Information card about the wig, a wear and go wig. Also came with some accessories, some more combs, and the elastic band. Now, y'all, the wig was pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. So, y'all know what that means. Really on the go, 1, 2, 3 install.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Multi, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word of Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the
couple freakers kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga just another state case. Bury 9 motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I'm rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas in them really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals never treated like I bought this fucking house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. But you're giving me I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
So y'all, this is the final look. First of all, this wig is a 10 out of 10. It is 26 inches. Y'all, I love the way water wave hair look on me. Just a 10 out of 10 in my book, honestly, truthfully. It came pre-cut, pre-bleached, and not only that, y'all, pre-plucked. So all I had to do was gluelessly spray it down. I didn't use no glue, only spray, hold and spray. And I did my baby hairs, literally, y'all, that's it. I put some mousse and some water in the hair. So easy, so beginner friendly, like, what? This is the end of the video. Everything about ISEEHAIR will be in the description box below, y'all. Literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. Definitely let them know that I did send you. Like, the wig honestly speaks for itself, honestly, truthfully. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We are at 54K. We're on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
That's fine for you. I do that 3 more times a night.